This is the Vachette VDIS Plus, the dimple slider combo. It's got sprung sliders, 6 dimple pins. These dimple slider combos are some of my favorite locks to pick. And almost always the driver pins have to be set first until you get a good false set. And then the sliders will be ready to set. So there's definitely some spool pins in here. Now I got a false set. One's loose, two's loose. 3 was binding, 4 was binding. Now 3 again. Now 4 again, 3 again, 4 again. Each time I tap 3 and 4, just get a little bit more plug movement. It's literally just a back and forth right now between 3 and 4. Quarters moving just a little bit each time, just inching its way over. One and 2 are still good. It's literally, there we go. It literally was just back and forth with 3 and 4. All right. Let's get this thing gutted. Oh no. Oh, that's not good. Clip broke. Well, luckily I've got spares. Those 6 stacks, 4 sprung sliders. Let me get these out first so I don't lose any springs or anything. There's the sidebar. There are the springs. Now let's get these sliders out. They're pretty wide gates. No false gates. Sliders were pretty easy. Generally in these locks, the sliders are fairly easy. Lots of times they don't have false gates. Even the ones with false gates aren't too terrible. They're just a lot of fun. And then this one just happened to be, I had to tap one just a little bit, I guess. 2 was a no lift, and then just a back and forth with 3 and 4. Definitely don't want these to go flying. These are stuck together. There we go. Those would be hard to find. So kind of a barreled pin on 1, standard on 2, standard on 3, standard on 4, another standard on 5, and a T-pin type thing on 6. So felt like spool pins, but I think it was just that thing there that gave me some counter rotation. Thought maybe I had a milled flat top too. Sometimes that will give counter rotation, but or they'll feel like spools or serrated pins. All right, that is the Vachette BDIS Plus.